Hi guys, today I'm working on another Rav4 and I'll be installing a set of the new AUXITO X5 series LED headlights. So let's get started. So let's take a quick peek of the factory halogen bulbs. These projector headlights are notoriously dim, especially with the dingy yellow bulbs, so they've got to go. And here's what we're upgrading to. These are the new AUXITO X5 series LED bulbs, which they claim are 25% brighter than the previous version. Let's take a peek inside. Here we have our 9005 bulb with a nice big fan and CAN bus decoder. As always, the kit comes with a pair of gloves, user manual, two-way tape, and tie wraps. And now to start the install, let's pop the hood. We're going to start on the driver's side by unplugging the power connector from the headlight cover, then turning the cover counterclockwise about 45 degrees while pulling out slightly on the tab until it starts to wiggle free. There is an O-ring here and the cover can be tough to remove, especially when you can't get the slots lined up right. With the cover opened up, I unplugged the connector on the light bulb and set the cover aside. Next, I turn the bulb counterclockwise until the tabs line up, then pull it out of the headlight. These can sometimes be tough to remove as well, but if you twist hard enough, they'll turn. Now we're ready to slide in the new LED bulb by aligning the tabs and turning clockwise to lock it in place. Next, I take a rag and a little rubbing alcohol and wipe the CAN bus decoder and a spot inside the headlight compartment so I have a clean surface to apply some two-way tape and stick the CAN bus decoder to the inside of the headlight compartment. This will keep it from flopping around while we're driving. With the LED plugged into the headlight connector on the inside of the cover, I can now reinstall the cover by aligning the tabs with the slots, pressing in and turning clockwise until the top arrow is pointing up. Then finally I plug the connector back into the cover and that's one side done. Now on the passenger side we have a few more things in our way, so I start by popping up the plastic clip that holds the washer fluid spout and move it out of the way so I can access the headlight cover. Once again I unplug the power connector and turn the cover counterclockwise slightly to remove it. Then remove the old headlight bulb. I clean the mounting surfaces, install the new LED bulb, and mount the CAN bus decoder. Then with the cover wire plugged in, the cover is aligned and locked into place. The power connector is reconnected, then the washer fluid spout is clipped back in. And we're done. Let's try them out. Very nice. Compared to the halogen bulbs, the new lights are extremely white, but I can't tell just yet how much brighter they are. So let's go for a test drive. So my first impressions are that the lights are quite a bit brighter, but also spread wider. In the video on the right, you can see the vivid green of the grass on the side of the road. You can also see much further ahead. I noticed that I forgot the fog lights on when I did my first test drive, so I decided to leave them on for the AUXITO test as well, which is why there's a little bit of an orangey tint on the bottom of the video on the right. Otherwise, the rest of the light field is bright white and very clear. Because these LEDs are installed in projector headlights, the light is less blinding to other drivers, and I did not get a single flash yet because of the brightness of the lights. This video is brought to you by AUXITO. AUXITO.com is my go-to site for LED lighting and accessories. You can use coupon code NHBH to save 15% off your order. Well, I have to say I'm very pleased with these headlights. AUXITO never fails to impress, and the X5 series are no exception. Well, that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.